I let 7 viral Forex bots trade my real money for 30 days. 6 of them failed quietly. One did something I didn't expect, and nobody is talking about why. Everyone online is selling you the same dream. Turn on a bot, go to sleep, wake up rich. So instead of believing screenshots, backtests, or influencers, I did what most people won't. I tested 7 of the most viral Forex bots, used real market conditions, no manual intervention, for 30 full days. What I found completely changed how I look at automated trading in 2026. And if you're using or planning to use a Forex bot, this video might save you months or thousands of dollars. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't want to hear. Forex bots don't fail randomly. They fail for very specific reasons, and nobody explains this. The problem isn't that bots don't work. The problem is most bots are built for a market that no longer exists. Let me explain. Many viral bots are designed around old market behavior, predictable volatility, clean trends. But 2026 markets are algorithm versus algorithm, news-driven in milliseconds, manipulated by liquidity grabs. So what happens? A bot looks perfect in backtests, looks amazing on demo accounts. But the moment real money meets real spreads, slippage, and news, it starts bleeding. And here's the biggest problem no one tells beginners. Bots don't lose fast. They lose slowly, so you keep trusting them. Small drawdowns, tiny wins, false confidence, until one bad week wipes out months of progress. That's the real danger. Now let me expose the hidden truth about Forex bots in 2026. Most successful bots online are not profitable systems. They are marketing systems. Here's how it works. A bot is optimized for short-term performance. It uses aggressive strategies like martingale, grid trading, over-leveraging. So for weeks, sometimes months, it looks unstoppable. People post screenshots. Telegram groups explode. Affiliates push links. But the bot isn't designed to survive chaos. It's designed to look good long enough to sell. Another hidden truth? Most bots don't understand context. They don't know when institutions are trapping retail traders, when news will destroy technical setups, when volatility changes market structure. They just execute rules. And rules without context in modern Forex are dangerous. This is why 90% of people say, it worked until it didn't. That's not bad luck. That's bad design. Now let's talk about the mistakes, because this is where most traders destroy themselves. Mistake number 1, trusting backtests. Backtests don't include real spreads, slippage, emotional pressure, broker manipulation. A bot that looks perfect in history can fail instantly in reality. Mistake number 2, running bots 24/7. Markets are not equal all day. London is not equal to New York is not equal to Asia. Most people let bots trade during dead hours or high-impact news when probability collapses. Mistake number 3, over-risking. This is the silent killer. People increase lot sizes because the bot is consistent. The drawdown is small until one abnormal week hits. Bots don't feel fear. Accounts do. Mistake number 4, blind faith. This is the most dangerous belief. The bot knows better than me. No system, human or AI, should be trusted without limits. Automation without supervision is gambling with extra steps. Now let's get real. Out of the 7 bots I tested, 3 blew accounts slowly. 2 survived but underperformed manual trading. 1 was insanely risky but looked profitable. 1 actually worked, not because it was magical, but because it followed 3 principles most bots ignore. What made this bot different? 1. Adaptive logic. Instead of fixed rules, it adjusted to volatility changes, session timing, market conditions. It didn't trade when conditions were bad. 2. Risk control over profit. It aimed for survival first, profit second. Small wins, controlled losses. No martingale, no grid madness. 3. Human plus bot combination. Here's the part nobody markets. I didn't let it run blindly. I turned it off during high-impact news, limited sessions, reduced risk after drawdowns. The bot wasn't replacing me. It was working with me. That's the difference between automation and delusion. How to avoid these mistakes? Practical takeaways. If you're using or planning to use a Forex bot in 2026, do this. Treat bots as tools, not income sources. Prioritize drawdown over profit. Avoid bots that promise daily gains. Combine automation with basic market awareness. If you don't understand the strategy, don't run it. The goal isn't fast money. The goal is staying in the game long enough to win. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Forex bots don't fail because automation is bad. They fail because people want effortless money in a ruthless market. The one bot that worked for me didn't make me rich overnight, but it did something more important. It survived, it adapted, and it respected risk. If you're serious about trading in 2026, stop chasing shortcuts and start building systems that last. I'll be breaking down more real experiments like this. What works, what fails, and what nobody wants to admit. Not hype, not screenshots, just reality. Because in trading, the truth is more valuable than any signal.